Hi everyone, game night, season opener. Dallas versus Philadelphia Eagles. Fly, Eagles, fly. Let's make some finger foods. All right, tonight is just a quick pop-up video. It's the beginning of the season for football. And my son and I are going to watch the Eagles game together. So, on the menu, we have pigs in a blanket, we have cheese sticks, we have like corn chips with spinach and cheese dip, we have cookies, we have regular chips, popcorn, we have some of our Alfredo, cheesy tortellini Alfredo dish I made last night. So yeah, we're just going to graze and watch some football. Let's get cooking. Alright, so I am going to take a few of these. Probably too much. So we have other foods that we're eating. Then, let's take this and put this away. Okay. I want to These are the Hillshire Farms Little Smokies, all beef. We don't want mystery meat. No. Okay, let me take these. And I'm going to slip you around this way, hoping you can still see. I just take them and cut them in half. Then take a little wing it up, put it on the pan. All right. I'll be back when I have a little bit more on the pan so we can see what's going in the oven. All right, here's what we have going in the oven. This is what we have left over. We'll wrap up. We might make these. This is ready to come out and be placed on the table. All right, guys, game's about to start. We got the chips and the dip ready. I'm just waiting for the other things to bake. And we are ready for the game. Alrighty then.